Want clean and smooth solder joints in your stained glass project? Here are the keys to beautiful results. First, let's cover what really makes a difference. Use high-quality solder. 60/40ths or 63/37ths works best. Keep your soldering iron clean and at the right temperature. Always apply flux. It helps the solder flow smoothly. And most importantly, your copper foil work needs to be clean, even, and tight. Great solder lines start with great copper foiling. If your foil is messy, crooked, or peeling, your solder lines will be too. Here's how to foil your glass properly. Firstly, clean your glass. No dust, no oils. Second, center the foil strip evenly on the edge. Press it down gently all the way around. You will need to be meticulous with this step. It will take time, but you will get worthy results. The foil is tightly adhered to the glass to create a strong grip and create a smooth weld. Make sure the edges are well smoothed. Use a fid or a flat stick to burnish. This step is key. Burnish until the foil is smooth and tight to the glass. Take your time with foiling, and your solder joints will thank you. I have completed the preparation steps to start welding this bird. And this is the model I plan to do today. There will be a lot of steps and skills to grasp in this design. If you need, like and subscribe for more stained glass tips.